Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are looking at an inventory home available here at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. This is the Angelina floor plan, part of the executive line of homes here at Bonita National. This is a social-only, non-golf membership home, so you don't have any golf dues on this particular property. This is the Angelina. It's a 2-bedroom plus den, or you can use it as a 3-bedroom home, 2-bath, 2-car garage, just over 2,000 square foot. And this one is available right around $565,000. Great deal here for this Angelina floor plan. This is one of the highly sought after plans here at Bonita National. When you come in, you've got the guest bedroom directly to the right. There is a pocketing door that you can close off to your guest area. But here is the guest bedroom with the nice windows up front. You've got the bifold style closet, and you've got the 17-inch tile on the diagonal on the floor here. This is piggybacked right off the guest bath here with the single sink commode and dual combination tub and shower. Now just past here, this is the den walking in here. So you have access from the den into the guest bath there. You've got your pocketing doors here on either side. And you do have a closet, so the den here can be used as a 3rd bedroom if you like as well. And then the Angelina opens up into this nice great room design here. Right here is where you have your dining area, which can be repurposed as well. You've got the nice great room area here, huge bar, flat island counter. You've got your wall oven, microwave. You're gonna have a full appliance package. Granite countertops, wood cabinets. And just past the kitchen here, you've got a nice sized pantry here. You also have a little workstation. You're gonna get a full-size washer and dryer, cabinetry for storage in your laundry facility here, along with the utility sink. And last but not least, over here towards the outdoor living area, one of the nice things about the Angelina floor plan is you've got the slide pass-through window here. You open that up right out to your outdoor kitchen there. You've got the triple sliders here, and then you've got your pavered pool area and lanai. Here is your outdoor kitchen. You've got a nice little bar set up here at the pass-through window. The outdoor kitchen. This home comes with the wood paneling up top as well. And then you've got your pool and spa package. So really nice home here. You also have a nice lake view from the back of this property. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this home, it's gonna be ready here within the next 30 days. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you watching. If you're interested, contact us at any of the numbers below. We'll talk to you soon.